Information literacy is a set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. Find sources that will enrich our learnings and our intellectual capability to identify. Find the needed information effectively and efficiently. Identify data and information, whether it is factual or not, and that includes evaluation. Getting an insight of your topic first by reading background information. Evaluate or analyze information and its sources critically. Exploring different sources of information in various formats to have a grasp of topic you're having a research on. Apply the proper citation to avoid plagiarism and to practice the act of acknowledging. Learning how to paraphrase an article or an essay to support your written work or speech. Acknowledge the people behind those enlightening and educational works. Giving proper citations to the people or information sources you have included in your research paper. Why information literacy is important? Information literacy is essential for students' academic works, research knowledge processing, and in personal life. Students became smart in accessing information in various formats. Information literacy multiplies the opportunities for students' self-directed learning as they become engaged in using a wide variety of information sources to expand their knowledge, ask informed questions, and sharpen their critical thinking for still further self-directed learning.